Oh, that's too bad. A little forward. And just remember to stay back.
You ready?
Yep, whenever you are. And say canter.
Canter.
Ooh, hang on. Oh, you got, change your lead.
What?
Your lead. There you go. Just straighten them with the outside rein. Straighten.
Working on it, Mom. Ready?
Yep. There, good. Straighten them. Good boy. Good boy. Very good boy. Good. You want to try it the other way real quick or just call it good with that?
Call it that.
Okay.
Because that's what causes problems, I know it.
And that's a good boy. Good boy. Pats. Good boy, Snickers.